Okay. Yes, so I everybody trust we've had a good day so far. Oh, so again, hi everybody. I really want to trust that we've had a great day so far. I'm going to be having like a very laggy stream today because network has decided to like show me who's the boss, and I would not because of that not stream. And if I see that, or maybe it is maybe unbearable, I might just like cut the stream and start recording. I'm recording now. I'm recording now. I recorded yesterday, but fortunately, the stream was like okay yesterday. But today's stream is gonna be really really choppy. I can smell it already. So if it doesn't really work out, I'm just gonna, you know, upload like that. So yes, good evening everybody. This is Paul in your faces here, and this is my 10th day of the 100 days of cloud security. I've been live. I've been going live for the past 9 days. Today is my 10th day, and this is me just learning in public. This is me just making my mistakes on the stream in public, in front of everybody, and see how it goes. So yesterday I was able to look at IAM across clouds. I was able to understand the major fundamentals of IAM, and not just IAM but across the big three cloud providers. And yeah, it was really really fun. I really really learned a lot of things, and because I was unable to finish the piece I was reading, I would be going back to that same piece and I will have to finish it. That's the way my stream works. So this is not me teaching anybody. I am not teaching anybody anything, and I am open to being taught on the stream. So if there's an issue with the video, there's an issue with the audio, please do well to call me out in the comments, in the chat. My eyes is like on the chat, so I can see exactly what you guys are trying to say. So please do well to call me out. And yeah, if I am, if I'm getting some things wrong, do well again to, call me out in the chats. I'll be so glad to accept the teachings. Yeah. So I'll just go ahead and just to do like final touches to my camera because it's actually losing focus. So I'm going to have to like lock in the focus and share my screen. One moment, please. So I am presently trying to, spin up my what's this dude called? My browser, and it is actually not responding yet. So I don't know. I really don't know what's going on. I really don't know what's going on. Whenever I try to like, start the live stream, I am usually um restarting my laptop, just like keep the old thing fresh. But then I yeah, I really don't understand what's going on. Oh my god. And I really don't want to like end the stream and come back. Let me open my notepad too. Please help me confirm if my stream is okay. If my stream is okay. Like I can just see I have my live control panel, my YouTube studio live my in my OBS where I stream, yeah. And basically this guy is just like, I can just see like spikes in numbers. I think like just a few minutes ago it was, I was on maybe 11 views, like it just like re-updated and it's on like 25. So I really don't know what's going on. 27 now. Man, I'm cooked. I tell you, I am cooked. Okay, so I'm literally still waiting for Brave. Let me see if I can maybe use Microsoft Edge or something, because I think I actually know the resource I'm using to learn. That's gonna be IAM Tenable. Like this is really not fair. This is not fair. I tell you, this is not fair. And I don't know. I am not happy with my lightning. I had to like tamper with it because um it didn't turn up, like it didn't come on time. So I thought, oh, maybe I burnt the lights, but it came on, but not the color I want. So it give me another minute. Let me just adjust the color. I need more of, yeah. Then I'm just gonna lock in. Yeah, I think this is better. I am like getting so like, man, I am just live. Honestly, I wouldn't have just started this stream if if I faced this live, I be this network issue one time. So I am across clouds. I really cannot find I can't find the article not worked. I don't know what's wrong with this guy. Okay, let me share my screen. Let me share my screen. Scene. Yeah, so this is my screen. I'm like exact the exact resource I was using to read yesterday, but I couldn't find it. So let me pull my notepad by the side. Let me put my notepad by the side. Okay, so this was what I went through yesterday. Um, Pretty much the fundamentals of IAMs. It's the system that controls system and policy that controls who can access what and what can be done with the what's being what was accessed here, what's being the resource or the resources. So in cloud platforms, AWS calls it the IAM, Azure calls it Entra ID, and Google Console calls it. Then I have resource structures. Yep, container for all organizational accounts. In Azure, the subscription is the billing unit, but in GCP, Google, yeah, the project is the billing unit. So our permissions are structured. So in what is called IAM policy, which is majorly written in JSON, in JavaScript, if I am correct, and for which a permission assignment to be applied is called the scope. There's also what is called scope in GCP. Yep, and both GCP and what is called RBAC, which is role-based access control. Yep. So and also and AWS consolidate permission and resources in a of the policy. Then this is unlike Azure and GCP, which separates permission sets from the scope. It follows our basic permissions. They enable inheritance. So basically, inheritance means that if a role is at a higher scope in terms of permissions. So this is my notes from my yesterday's study, and yep. So I have like a couple of images pasted, which is this is just I cannot zoom in. Okay, let me make it big. So I have this is an example of AWS policy, IAM policy rather. I don't think I sniped that one for what's it called? That one for so this is basically me just like learning in public again, and it's been fun. Like even I think the stream I had like 2 days ago, I was able to, went through the fundamentals of cloud security, and I talked about, and I read about, and I learned again about models, overlapping responsibility. This overlapping responsibility was a thing. It happens here, but I never knew it was like a whole concept of its own. Oh, finally, my browser is up. So let me just make this full screen because I have things you people should not see. Yep. So if you are yet to, be subscribed to the channel, please do well to subscribe to the channel. This is one of the major means by come live every day, and between like just within the scope of the online, I have been able to get like 15 new subscribers, and I was so like super happy because I don't want to call it a bad habit, yeah, but I have that habit of checking my stats, like my channel stats at all. So I increased um by 50 subs, and I was like so happy. So brave. I mistakenly closed an app that took years to open. Okay, so I have the check the stream now. The if the stream are clean, I would be stream this night because I know it can be a hassle, yeah, trying to like watch videos that lags. I am also like I'm actually working on getting another form of internet connection, and I really don't know when it's going to be here. This week runs out, so I would when I have like good internet connection, I would definitely come on. I would definitely come on stream. Yesterday's stream was like the smoothest I had. Like it was like the smoothest I had. Towards the end of the stream, it's like went, and there was nothing I could do about it. But apparently, if I check the stream now, and I see that the stream is not like super clean, if it is choppy or laggy, I'll be so forced to end it because it would as much as it's gonna be slow for me because let me show you my screen again. I have I have just this website trying to load. Let me refresh again. I have this website trying to load, and I've been here for like a couple of seconds, almost a minute or two. Can you imagine? Now everybody will think I'm lying. So if I can see that the stream is choppy, I'm sorry, I might need to like just maybe do this learning offline and do my jottings offline, and I would maybe just continue from there tomorrow. And why is nobody in the chat? Like the chat is like super dry today. The chat is like so dry today, and I don't know why. Today just looks like me hanging out, honestly. So if you notice, you will see that here it's saying no data, and that's because of my internet connection. My internet connection is causing this. So, and I'm having views like a lot of you guys are here, and network is just like messing it up for me. Come on, please walk. I can see the lag. I can actually see the lag. I can see the lag. And network will not go just grey for me. This is why I battle almost every day. Like almost this is why I battle every day. And lo and behold, the stream is behind. The stream is behind. So I am really sorry if you expected more tonight, and this is what I'm giving you. I'm like so sorry. I cannot stream with this network. I'm gonna if I can. I'll find a fix as soon as I can. Yeah. Or maybe I can maybe not stream this night and maybe just do the studies, but then and maybe record. But to not show, I wanted to like show at my live section. You get that's what I was like trying to do. I wanted all my videos to like show as lives, but it's a lot. I tell you. If you're here to subscribe to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. Um, I would I'm always like live every day. By 8 o'clock. 8 p.m. Nigerian time. So if you're in India, that's probably maybe or after midnight thereabouts. Yeah. And if you are yet to follow me on Twitter, on TikTok, I'm on TikTok as ZeteoSec, and I'm on Twitter as at Zeteo_sec. Yeah. So I think I just want to like I'm really not happy about this network, and it's a lot for me. I tell you, it's a lot. Like my browsers are not even like responding anymore. Nothing is responding, and it's just because the internet provider I'm presently using promised to do at least a maximum of 20 Mbps per month. Like that's the network speed I paid for, 20 Mbps, which is like enough to like do most of my things, but it is what it is. That's what I get as a Nigerian. Because as much as they promised 20 Mbps, they are only giving how many Mbps? They are giving us only just today now. All of my network speed today was just around 2 Mbps, 3 Mbps. So what happens to the remaining 18 Mbps? There is no story. They won't tell us anything. Even if you tell them. So that's what we face. So I'm hoping to like switch to a fiber net, since that's one of like the fastest and the major forms of network speed. Like I am so ashamed of myself lagging on my own screen. I tell you, like I'm lagging on my own screen. So yeah, let me just take the day off, like take the night off. I'm gonna read this night. And yes, for those that really doesn't know, I tend to like do some blockchain security during the day. I'm just starting blockchain fundamentals during the day, and um during the day, and I do like cloud security at night. So because cloud security, blockchain has been one thing that I have always wanted to like do and do. So I'm like doing the two at the same time. I'm really hoping I don't like stress myself out, but I'm excited doing the two. Like I am so excited doing the two. Yep. So my tweets now on Twitter is going to be including, blockchain security, smart contract auditing, all of those things, right? Trying to like just be out there as much as everyone can learn one or two things. There's a need, and there's a very good need for visibility. You need to be out there. So I would start channeling some of my content into blockchain, web3, and all of that. And again, like I used to say, if you have resources for me, both from blockchain security, from cloud security as well, I'm like so open to getting them. And also I am also like planning to start a community, maybe not now, but before this 100 days is going to end. I want to maybe like start a community of cloud security minded people, or maybe it's general cybersecurity, or maybe blockchain security. But I really don't know I don't know how I want to like do it yet, but I'm going to keep us updated. So if you're interested, you don't have to like be super good at it. Yeah. So um yes, I really would just call it a night, and thank you so much for showing up. I have quite a number of people on the stream today. The ends of God Almighty. I'll be live again tomorrow by 8 o'clock. Do have a nice evening. Thank you very much.